I'm going to be sharing with you in this video 3 of the biggest manifestation blocks that I've come across. There's definitely a lot more than these 3, but these 3 things are definitely going to block you in huge ways when it comes to manifesting what you want in your reality. So if you understand these 3 blocks, you're gonna have a much easier time manifesting your dream reality into existence, whether it's money or a specific person or a relationship. It doesn't matter. If you understand these blocks, it's gonna be so much easier to create what you want in the external world. So if you're new to this channel, what I want you to do is to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because I do post a new video every single day. Also, if you want to work with me one-on-one to find clarity in your life purpose so you can live the life that you really want to be living on this planet at this time, hit the link that's in the description box of this video to apply for a free consultation to see if you're a good fit for the coaching program. So the first block is being way too lost in the external world. This is a huge block when it comes to manifestation, is we get way too lost in the external. Hey, I've been guilty of this. I'm still guilty of this sometimes. I get so focused in the external world. I get so focused in trying to get something outside of me that's not really outside of me, it's all connected to me, we'll get to that later, that I lose my sense of peace and connectedness to the moment. I lose myself in the manifestation. If you lose yourself in the manifestation, you become needy, you start to become fearful if it's coming, because you lost yourself, your true self. You lost your true self in the external world. Now, if you lose and this is so paradoxical, right? Because we're trying to manifest something in the external, you're thinking, where else would I be focusing other than in the external world to manifest something in the external world? Well, the answer is your internal world, because your internal world is what creates the external world. And when you get too lost in the external world, this completely blocks what you want to create in the external world. Now, I know how that sounds, but that's the truth. This is what I found in my experience. When I get too lost in YouTube or my coaching business or something that I want to create, it kills my vibe. Literally, that's what it does. Like, my vibe goes downhill. And then when the vibe goes downhill, you don't feel good, and it slows down the manifestation. It's a huge manifestation block. It's huge. When this happens to me, this is what I do. I pull my energy back and I slow down, okay? And I start to meditate. This happens all the time with my clients, okay? We get so focused on trying to create something, we lose ourselves in the world. We try to find ourselves, our sense of peace and happiness in the manifestation. That's not gonna happen. If you're looking for a sense of peace and happiness and fulfillment in something outside of you, not only is that gonna slow down your manifestation process, but you will be miserable in the process as well. And manifestation is not a logical process, it's a feeling process. It's a reprogramming the subconscious mind process. It's feeling good in the process. It's enjoying the process. This is what manifestation is about. And when you lose yourself in the external world, hey, good luck trying to manifest that thing in a fast way. You may still manifest it, but you're gonna have a very hard time doing so. And what I found in my experience is that when I lose myself in the external world, it becomes very, very difficult. Now, the second manifestation block, one of the biggest manifestation blocks, is a lack of self-love. When you have a lack of self-love, it's basically connected to the first point, because you lose yourself in the external world so much that you stop loving yourself. Now, what does this mean? This means that you stop caring for yourself. You're so focused on the relationship or the money that you stop caring for yourself. You stop meditating, you stop going into nature, you stop eating healthier foods. If you lose yourself in something outside of you, in some manifestation, that's a lack of self-love. That's a lack of being connected to your truth. When you lack self-love, huge manifestation block. Okay, I fall into that sometimes still. I'm still overcoming this myself. I lose myself in the external world. Slow down and pull your energy back. Because as long as you keep focusing on the external world and you keep putting your number one priority in the external world, there's nothing wrong with that, but my invitation to you is to have more self-love. Okay, test it out, see what happens. Because what I found is that when I prioritize my self-love, my manifestation process actually speeds up. Things actually start to pop into my life in a much faster way. I actually start to attract what I want in a much faster way when I just prioritize self-love, consciousness, awareness, raising my vibration. When I have a lack of self-love, that's when not only I feel worse, but also it's a manifestation block. It's a manifestation block. You see, what people fail to realize is that manifestation is not just getting something in the external world. It's aligning yourself internally to such a degree that you're completely in alignment with the present moment and the expansion of the universe, and also your dream life. This is what we call alignment with the present moment. This is what we call alignment with self-love. This is what we call alignment with truth and who you really are. This is what manifestation is really about. And this is what some people won't share with you, but this is it. This is literally it. If you understand what I'm communicating to you in this video, not just at a content level, but at an energetic level, if you receive the download I'm giving to you right now, you will literally manifest your dream life. Literally everything that you want to manifest. More money, the relationship. What do you want to manifest? If you love yourself to the highest degree possible, you will manifest it. Now, I can't promise that to you because I'm not going to promise anything to you on this channel, but my invitation to you is to try that and see what happens. And you know what? I probably can promise it, but I just can't because it's YouTube and I don't want to be held responsible. But hey, it's pretty much impossible not to manifest your dream life if you align with consciousness and self-love. The best possible life you can live, because the source of who we are is consciousness and love. So when you focus on that, you manifest more of what you want. Because when you become conscious, you realize, I don't want this, I want this. That's the play of consciousness. Lack of self-love, huge manifestation block, huge. Now, the last thing, which is connected to all these points, is neediness. Of course, neediness blocks manifestation. We all know that. But it's because you're so lost in the external world and you lack self-love that the neediness comes to begin with. Why are we even needy to begin with? Because we don't know who we are. We don't know who we are as consciousness. We don't know who we are as being connected to who we really are. We don't know that we are not the thoughts, that we are not the mind, that we're not the body. We feel like we need something outside of us to feel good. No, you don't. You don't need anything. It's great to have these things. Go after more money. Go after the relationship. Yes, we came here to experience life, but do not depend your sense of fulfillment on these things. When you do, you will suffer. The Buddha once said, all attachment leads to suffering. If you need something, you're gonna suffer, and it's a manifestation block. You see, that's the common theme in this video that I want to share with you. This is the theme that I always share in my videos. When you lack consciousness, there's two main problems that come. You feel crappy in the process, and you slow down the manifestation. These are the two biggest problems when it comes to having blocks like this, because you literally, this is what I call the lose-lose. There's no benefit to not having consciousness. There's no benefit. There's no benefit at all other than experiencing that level of consciousness. So I guess that's the benefit there. But other than that, there's no benefit, because I believe we all came here to experience certain things, and we can't force people to get to a higher level. So I guess that would be the benefit, is experiencing that part of your life until you realize you don't have to anymore. And that's part of life too, is getting to that next level. But it's like you don't need these manifestations. You want the manifestations, but not from a needy place. It's not like I really, really want this. It's like, hey, I'm whole, I'm complete, I feel good, I want a relationship. You see, why not? You've already gotten to that level of awakening. Go after the relationship. Why not? Why not go after more money? Why not create success? You're already whole and complete. Try to create success from that place. That's a beautiful space to be in. It's a beautiful space to be in. If you already feel content, you already feel happy, you already feel connected, you feel like you don't need anything, and then you go after the manifestation, that's how you get it. That's how you get it. But when you need the manifestation, that's how you block it. That's how you block it. That's how you feel resistance in the process. And that's how you slow yourself down in life. That's how you slow down the manifestation process. So if you really understand these 3 keys, you will manifest faster. If you understand not to get lost in the external world, if you understand to not have a lack of self-love, if you understand to not have neediness, and the opposite of those would be to focus on your internal world, okay? Focus on having self-love. Focus on not needing, but being present to the moment to such a high degree that you need nothing outside of you, but you go after what you want from that space of non-neediness. That's the way I live my life. And if I find myself that I lose myself in the external world, this is my key here. This is my key tip. I slow down and I start meditating. That's all I do. That's the truth. Like I wish I could give you some crazy formula. No, that's all I do. That's all I do. If I get too lost in YouTube or my clients, I take a step back and I meditate. That's how I ground myself. I go into nature and I meditate. It's that simple. It's that simple. Just focus on your internal world. That's all you have to do. Like I wish I could give you like more, but there's definitely way more. Like follow your passion, follow this, but like that's all you have to do is just focus on your internal world. If you focus on your internal world, you won't get lost in the external world. You'll have more self-love and you won't be needy. Now, what does that mean? That means you prioritize consciousness. That's all it is. You still go after money. You still want the manifestation. You're not letting go of the manifestation completely because you still need to have it in mind. You're just not dependent on the manifestation anymore. When you do not depend on the manifestation, that's when you get it. So that's all I have for this video. Make sure you really understand these blocks because this will allow you to manifest. So that's all I have for this video. Once again, if you want to work with me one-on-one to let go of your ego, reprogram your subconscious mind for success, find clarity in your life purpose so you can live the life that you really want to be living on this planet at this time, hit the link that's in the description box of this video to apply for a free consultation to see if you're a good fit for the coaching program. As always, have yourself a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.